There's the bird. There's the bird before it goes in. It's a big bird. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have a beautiful Thanksgiving tablescape on a budget for you guys, because before all the family, the fun, the food, the decorating, and then comes decorating the Christmas tree and all of the festivities that go along with this beautiful holiday, comes the preparation. I always spend so much time preparing the table before everybody arrives, the turkey is carved, and all of the food is served. You have to make that perfect table to set that complete Thanksgiving ambiance. And that is what we're going to do today. But I'm going to show you how to have a Pinterest-inspired tablescape on a budget. Yes, you can have something beautiful, even Pinterest-inspired, from the Dollar Tree and using things that you already have on hand and from nature. Hi friends! So, I'm so excited that you're here. I cannot wait to show you this beautiful tablescape that I put together on a budget. Most of it came from the Dollar Tree. I'm just so excited to share with you. I kind of added some things up, and I had some things already, but even if I include them, because they already came from the Dollar Tree, I think this tablescape altogether cost me like $32 down to the plates. So I can't wait to show you. But before we get into the tablescape, the reason why I'm here right now, because this is a collab with beautiful Angie from the Bumblebee Farmhouse. I am so excited. She reached out to me and wanted to do a collab, and I got back to her and we decided to do a Thanksgiving one. So I can't wait to go over to her channel and see what she's doing all Thanksgiving. I have a tablescape to share with you guys. So if you're new over here from Angie's channel, hello, I'm Missy and I'm so excited that you're here. I hope that you subscribe and stick around, because I do all kinds of stuff that you probably already saw the introduction on her channel. So for all of my lovies who are subscribed to my channel, I have an introduction for you that Angie put together from her channel, the Bumblebee Farmhouse. So when you're done watching my video, go down into the Dropbox, find her link, and go over to her channel and watch her Thanksgiving, I don't know what she's doing, but her Thanksgiving video this week. I can't wait to see what she's doing. Her videos are beautiful. Thank you so much, Angie, for doing this collab with me. So without further ado, here's Angie's introduction.
Hello, sweet friends. My name is Angie, and welcome to the Bumblebee Farmhouse. I wanted to thank my super sweet friend, Missy, from YouTube and Instagram, Just Missy, for doing this collaboration here with me today. I hope you can find some cozy inspiration on my channel for home decor, antiquing, cooking, baking, gardening, shopping hauls, romanticizing everyday life, the mundane, and just the little things in life that count. I would love it if you can come on over to my channel, subscribe, and stay a while. I would love it for you to become part of my YouTube family and check out my other content. So I hope to see you there. And as Dorothy Gale once said, there's no place like home. That's right, folks. Home, sweet home.
Okay friends, we're going to start with a blank canvas. I have a seating for 4, so that's what we're going to do today. And the first thing I'm showing you is that I got some beautiful mesh and some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I also had some old garland, if you will, from the Dollar Tree, which is those leaves. But the leaves are so spread apart on those garlands that my idea was to intertwine some other things to bulk it up. My first instinct was to put down this beautiful lace doily that I got
got from the Dollar General for $5. But when I was looking at it, I thought about the little tassels at the end. When I go to put the plates at the end of the table, I really thought I was going to have some trouble with like the little knots. So I decided to go against it, and I just began to work on my centerpiece, which was intertwining that mesh and that beautiful plaid ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree in between all of this to really bulk it up. And then I'm going to build from there. I'm just going to keep building layer upon layer upon layer to really make my simple centerpiece really beautiful. For me, it's all about layers, textures, and colors. And I really think it's going to pull all together just beautifully. So my center focal point is this beautiful sparkly gold pumpkin. I really think it'll pick up the gold flecks in the mesh and gold in the plaid. And then I also picked up these metal candle holders from the Dollar Tree in different lengths. So the two on the ends are shorter and the one is in the middle. I think they're really going to look really beautiful. Already I'm loving where this is going. And then I also found these 5-hour emergency candles from the Dollar Tree, which you get 6 for $1.25 instead of 2 decorative candles for $1.25. And then I took a hike out in the woods behind my house to collect the next little bit of decor that I wanted, which was some fresh fall pine cones to scatter about because we're building on the foundation that I already have. And then I found these adorable teal mushrooms from the Dollar Tree, and I thought this was a perfect add-on. And look how beautiful these pine cones that I picked up right from my backyard. So those were free. So we're also going to add those to continue to just build on the foundation and bulk up our centerpiece. So now we're going to begin building on our plates before we finish up with our centerpiece. So I have these beautiful teal placemats because these are my colors for fall, which is that teal, gold, and all of those warm, rich colors that you associate with fall, which is those browns, those reds. I love mixing different colors that you wouldn't think go together. They really do go together. And these placemats I actually got for free because I borrowed them from my grandmother, which her favorite color happens to be teal as well. I guess the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, huh? But I'm telling you, these placemats, they just make the statement for this table because it just pulls all of the colors together, especially with those beautiful little mushrooms that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I want you to know that all of the plates and the cups, all of this came from the Dollar Tree. I picked up these beautiful white square plates, and these are not plastic plates, these are glass. And then I found the salad plates that went from the fall set this year that had the beautiful white and teal pumpkins. And I picked up the salad plates that said gather in the teal. And then I also picked up the glass cups that had the teal and orange pumpkins on them. So it all pulls together. I am thrilled how this looks, and I'm so excited that you can get beautiful glassware, plates, even themed holiday plate sets from the Dollar Tree, guys. So I really love how this came together. You let me know down in the comments if you think the colors work together. So for my napkins, I did a little DIY. I got these beautiful napkins, these little pumpkin clothespins, and I took a toilet paper roll. I cut it in fourths, clipped the little pumpkin pin on, folded the beautiful napkins, and shoved them through. And I have a cheap DIY napkin holder that I think turned out beautiful, and the colors really go good with the natural scheme that I'm going for in my tablescape. I also picked up these battery operated like fairy lights that had orange leaves at the top, and I'm also going to scatter that through my garland, so my tablescape, so that it's lit, so we get that beautiful ambiance, because that's what it's all about: lighting, colors, texture. And I'm telling you, once we add these little fairy lights through, it'll just bring it all together. I'm going to dim the lights now, light the candles, turn everything on, and let this tablescape speak for itself. All we need now is that big Thanksgiving turkey and all the fixings, and this would be an absolute beautiful Thanksgiving tablescape on a budget. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that it gave you some great ideas for your own space, and that you can achieve something as beautiful as this for a budget. You can get your supplies from the Dollar Tree, from the Goodwill, from any place that suits you, even hand-me-downs and special keepsakes that come from the family. Just make your space warm and inviting. Remember to use those textures, lighting, colors, and it'll all come together because you put the love, time, and effort into it. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I'll be talking to you very soon in another video. Until then, Always take care of you. Know I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. Until then, bye, lovies!